welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS video. I hope everyone is doing great. I did some few days that I wanted to share in case anybody wants to do them before the week runs out, because this is the last week of this ad cycle. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go pick up some deals. The first deal I picked up is some Lucky Charms. They're on sale for $2.49, no extra care box bag. I'm going to pick up 3 for a total of $7.47. I have two $1 off 2 digital coupon that will double dip. I'll pay $5.47. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each box. That means I'll get $1.50 back from Ibotta. And I also submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards for 2,600 points for buying 3. And after these 2 rebates, these 3 boxes will end up costing just $1.37 or 46 cents each. This is my receipt for this transaction. The 2 coupons double dip and took off $2 and I paid $5.47 out of pocket. Submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $1.50 for the 3 cereals, an extra 11 cents back for 2% back, and this deal actually gave me 4 offers. I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards and I got back 2,655 points, 2,600 points for buying 3 boxes, and there is extra offer for 10 points for every $1 I spent. That's where the 55 points came from. The next item I picked up is not giving back any extra care box, and that's the Dossier perfume. I picked up the floral lavender. Here it says $34.99. It is scanning for $28.99. I have 2% off coupon. I have a 40% off one full item and a 30% off your purchase. The 40% CRT took off $11.60 and the 30% off CRT took off $5.22. I ended up paying just $12.17 for it. The next deal I picked up is the spend $15 get $5 back on select Colgate products, and I'm going to pick up 3 mouthwashes priced at $6.29 each. These 3 will total $18.87. I'm going to use the 10 off 25 oral care CRT that we received this week. But right now, I'm still at $18.87. I will add the Colgate toothpaste on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. I will pick up 2 for a total of $7.98, and these 5 products will total $26.85. I have 3 $1 coupon I got from Colgate.com, 2 for the mouthwashes and 1 for the toothpaste. We have a $2 digital coupon for the 3rd mouthwash and another $2 digital coupon for the 2nd toothpaste. And I'll add the 10 off 25 CRT. The 5 coupons and the CRT will take off $17 and I'll pay $9.85, get $5 back for the spend $15 and $4 back for buying 2 toothpaste. That will end up making them just 85 cents or 17 cents each. This is my receipt for this transaction. All my coupons came off and the 10 off $25 CRT also applied. I have a $4 off your purchase CRT that I use with this deal. Use $2.53 in extra care box, pay $3.32 out of pocket, and I got back $5 for the spend $15 and $4 back for buying 2 toothpaste. The next deal I picked up is buy 3 get $5 back on Hallmark cards. I'm going to pick up 3 shoebox mini cards priced at $1.99 each, and these 3 cards will total $5.97. This account I'm using is a brand new account. That's why I have some of the good CRTs. Using the 5 off 3 CRT, I'll pay just 97 cents and I'll get $5 back, making them free and $4.03 moneymaker. The next deal I picked up is the OGX hair care. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. I'll pick up 1 OGX coconut hydrating mist priced at $10.99 and 1 shampoo priced at $9.29. And with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the cheaper price one will be the half off, and that will be the shampoo, and the price will be $4.65. These 2 items will total $15.64. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $11.64 and I'll get 4 back, making them just $7.64 or $3.82 each. This is my receipt for this transaction. This deal worked out very well. The 4 off 2 came off. I used $10.63 in extra care box, paid just $1 plus tax out of pocket, and I got back $4. This next deal, I did not pick it up, but I'm sharing it in case anybody needs them, and that will be on the Arm & Hammer deodorants. They are priced at $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.98. Pay that and get $4 back, and that will make them $5.98 or $2.99 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.